Hi, my name is Sam and today I will be showing you around this lovely Ford Focus ST-3. This is the 2-litre EcoBoost finished in the gorgeous Spirit Blue metallic paint. As you can see, this colour really suits the car and the Focus has a really nice stance. Starting with the front now, and you're presented with the aggressive front bumper with a menacing black honeycomb grille with contrasting ST logo. Black lower trim follows, really adding to the vehicle's road presence. This vehicle benefits from the xenon headlights, which don't only look the part but also help in a range of driving conditions. The stunning grey 18-inch ST 5-spoke alloy wheels follow, complete with the contrasting red brake calipers. Moving on, this Focus features the body coloured door mirrors with integrated indicators. Rear privacy glass follows, in addition to the black window trim surrounds, ultimately helping to create that sporty look. This vehicle also benefits from the sunroof, enhancing that cabin feel. Another look at the stealthy alloy wheels. And moving to the rear, you're presented with that dynamic looking integrated roof spoiler. Continued rear privacy glass follows with the relevant ST badging and that dramatic rear bumper which houses the central exhaust. The Focus ST features a generous 316-litre boot space which could easily accommodate up to one large suitcase and cater for a range of other activities. More space can be made by simply reclining the rear seats too. Additionally, a rear boot cover is included and the boot lid features an integrated grab handle. Jumping inside, and you are presented with the gorgeous charcoal black interior featuring a multifunctional ST branded leather steering wheel, a neatly designed centre console and the fabulous Recaro leather seats with contrast white stitching and embossed ST logo, complete with electric adjustments and ST metal tread plates. Starting the Focus ST reveals the neatly presented semi-digital instrument cluster. The centre console is neatly laid out also, complete with a single CD player and climate control settings, which are really accessible and easy to use. The ST leather trimmed gear selector follows, along with 2 cup holders, 12V power socket and additional armrest storage. The centre console display provides access to a range of different functions. Shown here is the menu, allowing you to choose from a range of different interior settings. CD allows you to play your favourite albums, and the sync media allows you to connect your device for additional playable audio. Sync phone allows you to pair your phone via Bluetooth, brilliant for those hands-free calls. There is also a range of radio stations which can also be accessed, meaning that you will never miss a beat. In addition, there is also a navigation system which can also be accessed via this display, allowing you to input all relevant journey data. Rear reversing cameras also come equipped. The rear interior is just as nice as the front, complete with full leather Recaro seats with contrast white stitching, additional door speakers and a 12V power socket. So if this amazing Ford Focus ST-3 finished in Spirit Blue is something that you are interested in or would like further information about, please do not hesitate to get in touch with a member of our sales team who will be more than happy to help. Thank you.